Hello everyone, today I am going to show you top 5 new drones of 2024 based on specifications. All the product buying links are given in the video description, and subscribe to my channel for more videos and press the bell icon for my new videos notification. Number 5. Introducing the DJI Mini 3, a powerful yet compact drone that redefines the possibilities of aerial photography. Designed with cutting-edge technology and a host of advanced features, this drone is perfect for both professional photographers and enthusiasts seeking to capture stunning visuals from the sky. The DJI Mini 3 boasts an impressive 4K camera with a 1/2 3-inch sensor, allowing you to capture breathtakingly detailed photos and videos with exceptional clarity and vividness. Its 3-axis motorized gimbal ensures smooth and stable footage, even in challenging flight conditions. With a maximum flight time of up to 30 minutes, you'll have ample time to explore and capture the world from above. Featuring an ultra-lightweight design, weighing merely 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 is incredibly portable. This makes it perfect for travel, enabling you to effortlessly carry it in your backpack or even your pocket. Despite its size, this drone doesn't compromise on performance, offering a maximum transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers, ensuring you never miss a moment. The DJI Mini 3 goes beyond just the hardware, as it incorporates intelligent software features that elevate your aerial photography experience. With quick shots, you can effortlessly capture professional-looking videos with cinematic moves, thanks to pre-programmed flight patterns. Additionally, the DJI Fly app provides a simplified and intuitive user interface, allowing even beginners to master the drone's controls and capture stunning shots effortlessly. Number 4. Introducing the Sky2 Plus, the ultimate autonomous drone designed to take your aerial photography and videography to new heights. With its cutting-edge technology and advanced features, this drone empowers professionals to capture breathtaking shots with unprecedented ease and precision. Equipped with an array of 6 4K navigation cameras, the Sky2 Plus boasts unrivaled obstacle avoidance capabilities. It utilizes artificial intelligence algorithms to intelligently navigate through complex environments, effortlessly avoiding obstacles in its path. This ensures that you can focus on capturing the perfect shot without worrying about collisions or accidents. The Sky2 Plus is powered by a state-of-the-art NVIDIA Tegra X2 processor, delivering lightning-fast performance and enabling real-time image processing. This allows for smooth and stable footage, even in challenging conditions. The drone's 4K HDR camera captures stunning visuals with exceptional clarity, color accuracy, and dynamic range, ensuring that every detail is preserved in your photos and videos. With its versatile flight modes, the Sky2 Plus offers endless creative possibilities. Whether you're an experienced pilot or a beginner, the drone's various intelligent flight modes, such as follow, orbit, and drone, enable you to effortlessly capture cinematic shots with cinematic precision. You can also take advantage of the Beacon, a compact controller that allows for precise manual control, giving you full creative control over your flights. Number 3. Introducing the DJI Mavic 3 Classic, a pinnacle of advanced drone technology designed for professional aerial photography and videography. Elevating your creativity to new heights, this remarkable drone combines cutting-edge features with ease of use, making it the perfect choice for both experienced pilots and newcomers to the drone world. Equipped with a 4K camera powered by a state-of-the-art Hasselblad sensor, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic captures stunningly clear and vibrant images, ensuring every detail is preserved with impeccable precision. With its advanced image stabilization system, you can bid farewell to shaky footage and embrace smooth cinematic shots that rival those of professional filmmakers. Unleash your imagination with the Mavic 3 Classic's unrivaled flight performance. Its intelligent flight modes, including active track, point of interest, and waypoints, empower you to effortlessly capture dynamic shots from virtually any angle. Thanks to its powerful propulsion system and extended flight time, you can venture further and stay in the air longer, allowing you to unlock breathtaking perspectives that were once out of reach. Safety is of paramount importance, and the DJI Mavic 3 Classic is engineered with an array of intelligent sensors and obstacle avoidance technology to ensure a worry-free flight experience. Enhanced GPS connectivity and precise positioning algorithms enable precise hovering and accurate waypoint navigation, granting you peace of mind as you focus on obtaining the perfect shot. Number 2. Introducing the Autel Evo Max 4T, the pinnacle of technological innovation in the world of drones. This cutting-edge aerial device combines sleek design with unrivaled performance, offering enthusiasts and professionals alike an unparalleled flying experience. Equipped with state-of-the-art features, the Autel Evo Max 4T is designed to push boundaries and elevate your aerial photography and videography to new heights. Its powerful 4T motor ensures swift and stable flights, enabling you to capture breathtaking shots with ease and precision. Experience the true potential of high-definition visuals with the Autel Evo Max 4T's integrated 4K Ultra HD camera. Every detail is crystal clear, allowing you to capture stunning landscapes, dynamic action, and vibrant colors with professional-grade quality. Thanks to its advanced obstacle avoidance system, the Autel Evo Max 4T ensures safe and worry-free flights. Intelligent sensors detect and avoid potential obstacles, providing you with peace of mind while exploring even the most challenging environments. The Autel Evo Max 4T boasts an impressive flight time of up to 40 minutes, allowing you to make the most out of every aerial adventure. Say goodbye to frequent battery changes and seize the opportunity to capture those once-in-a-lifetime shots. With its user-friendly interface and intuitive controls, the Autel Evo Max 4T offers a seamless flying experience for both beginners and seasoned pilots. Take advantage of its advanced flight modes, including GPS-assisted navigation, Follow Me mode, and waypoint planning. Number 1. Introducing the DJI Inspire 3, the ultimate aerial cinematography tool designed to elevate your creativity to new heights. With its cutting-edge technology and unrivaled performance, the Inspire 3 is crafted to meet the demands of professional filmmakers, photographers, and enthusiasts alike. Equipped with an advanced 6K camera, the Inspire 3 captures breathtakingly detailed footage, allowing you to unleash your artistic vision and deliver stunning visuals. Its state-of-the-art image stabilization system ensures smooth and steady shots, even in the most challenging environments, providing unparalleled clarity and precision. Designed for professionals, the Inspire 3 boasts a robust and durable construction, enabling it to withstand harsh conditions and rough handling. Its lightweight carbon fiber frame enhances maneuverability, allowing you to effortlessly navigate through the air and capture dynamic shots with ease. With an extended flight time of up to 35 minutes, the Inspire 3 offers extended shooting sessions, ensuring you never miss a moment. The intelligent flight modes, including Active Track and Follow Me, provide automated tracking capabilities, enabling you to focus on your subject, while the Inspire 3 takes care of the rest. The Inspire 3 also incorporates advanced obstacle avoidance sensors, ensuring a safe and worry-free flight experience. These sensors detect and avoid potential obstacles, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to concentrate on capturing the perfect shot.